Hello everyone, Wilson here, back with another video. So I want to share like my end of season rewards. By the way, I already seen these, so don't expect like don't expect me to be surprised or anything. Just want to share with you what I got. That's all. So let's go. Should I reveal all? Yeah, no, let's go one by one. This was a good one, I guess. Even though I have here like at level 6, maybe. Nice SPS chunk there. I think this one gets me to level 10. Even though I saw the rewards, I haven't checked. So we can check that together. Merits, SPS, merits, potions. This is nice to see. This is not nice to see. When I see like one card, it's sad, especially in diamond. This is good. I think I need like a few more though for level 4. 24 was nice. So let's go. I think I had like a few big chunks there. This, yeah, this kind of thing, like 2, 1, not great, not looking great. Like I told you, I've seen these already, so spoiler alert, it's not my best reward. It's not my best end of season for sure. So let's go fast. Gotta go fast. Did I miss anything? Nope. This is nice. Like anything above 5 SPS, I always like, to be honest, even though the price is not great right now. This is also good. So we can check out if that gets us to level 10. And maybe we can open Gladius pack. Maybe we can get a legendary there, like a gold one. You never know. You never know. Okay, let's see. One, Soulbound. I think this gets us there. Oh damn, dude. I need 3 more. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. What was the other card? I want to check. I don't remember. Let's open the Gladius. Let's buy the Gladius and then open it, I guess. Come on now, don't lag. Oh, we can buy 2 of them, dude. This is. I think we're gonna get something good. Okay, let's go to Gladius. Let's see what happens. Gonna open both of them together, I guess, or should I open them one by one? Let's go one by one, even though I think the chances might be better together. Where are the legendaries? Where are the gold legendaries, man? Okay, this is okay, I guess. This card I love, so I'm never mad about getting them. Okay, let's go. I think we're gonna get a gold foil legendary right now. I can smell them. I can smell them in the blockchain. Okay, we didn't get that, by the way. I guess my sense of smell is not that good. It's not what it used to be. So we can check out like on Splex, we can check out like the reward value in dollars, I guess, just for fun. The rewards look up, and we can see like the secondary accounts I have here. So this was what I claimed right now. And yeah, this was my daily yesterday. But let's see like total season. I like this summary more. It loads. So my total season is not that bad. I think the fact that the prices has gone, the price of SPS has gone up, helped a lot on this one. No packs though this season, and I didn't get any packs the last season. But yeah, 2 seasons ago I got a few. This was better. So yeah, overall not the best season I've had on this account at least. Let's see the alt accounts. This is good. Like 35 SPS is good for this account. Yeah, you can see that this was a better season than the last time. So yeah, we're winning here, I guess. Let's see the third account, the bronze account. 30 cents. Nice. Very nice. How did I saw this at first? I thought it was like 8K. Damn, that would be nice. So yeah, you can see this is an improvement on the alt accounts at least. So I'm not mad about it. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to share for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.